Hi, Timothy Eckert here, and in this video we're going to demonstrate the modulo equals operator. The method's a little odd, but this is meant for demonstration purposes, so maybe you can use this in some of your programs. So I'm going to create a few integers. One's called Dean's age, keeping up with my favorite TV show. The other one's called Sam's age, and then we have one called age difference. Okay, now I'm going to printf how old is Dean at the end of Supernatural? And then we'll scan F and we'll pass in an integer, and that'll be taking the Dean's age variable. And then I'm going to print F how old is Sam at the end of Supernatural. Okay, and then we're going to scan F, another integer, this time Sam's age in there. And then we're going to take this modulo equals operator. So we're going to go Dean's age modulo equals Sam's age. And that's going to take Dean's age, and it's actually going to set it equal to the remainder of Dean and Sam's age. So when I divide Dean's age by Sam's age, whatever that remainder is, that goes into the Dean's age variable now. And just for clarity, I'm going to create a variable, or I have created a variable age difference, and I'm going to pass the Dean's age value into that variable. Okay, then I'm going to printf the age difference between Dean and Sam is %D years old. Now, of course, you may be going, well, we could just, or percentage years rather, we could just subtract this. I'm going to pass in the age diff here, but let me show you a few things when we run this, and you'll see what it's actually doing. So we're going to return 0 here. All right, we're going to save this. And now I'm going to run this program. Well, first I'll compile it into modulo, let's call it age difference. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, how old is Dean at the end of Supernatural? We say 40. How old is Sam at the end of Supernatural? 36. Age difference is 4 years. Okay, so let's do a different one. Let's do 41, and let's say Sam was 35, right? Age difference is 6 years. Now I'll show you that it's using the remainder. Now if I divide 0 by any number, I'm going to get a remainder of 0. So I'm going to say 0 and then 6. We'll get the age difference between Dean and Sam is 0 years, because we're actually calculating the modulo for this value. Anyways, that was a short demonstration of the modulo equals operator in C. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. I thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.